Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making a vlog today, so I'm gonna take you along with me. We're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna go to Ross, see what kind of deals we can find there. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna come back and make a one pan $5 family meal. So stay tuned and let's get started. So Ross doesn't open until 9 a.m. and it's 8:45 now. So I'm gonna walk to Vaughn's and grab a couple of things. It's in here, it's in the same shopping center. So let's go to Vaughn's. I'm at Vaughn's now and I'm gonna get a coffee for myself. And then I'm gonna go get whatever we need. They have these huge squishmallows for $89.99. So I'm looking for something very specific. The Horizon little milks, the shelf-stable milks, and I can't find them anywhere. For my son's lunches, for preschool. Oh yeah, I think, oh here they are, found them. Okay. Organic whole milk. Oops. Okay, so I found these Mexican gray squash. It's 99 cents a pound, so I'm gonna get a little bit. I got a couple of bell peppers, and now I'm gonna get a bunch of parsley. They don't have regular, so I'm getting organic. So I spent a total of $23.90 in Vaughn's, plus the coffee. But yeah, some of those things were on sale. I got the milk, the squash, and the green bell peppers, and the parsley. Hi. Okay, so I'm at Ross. Okay, so I'm looking for some everyday shirts for myself. So let's go and see what we can find. So I found this. It's $10.99. But like, I can't find anything. I don't understand how people go to Ross and find all those clothes. I can't find anything I like. But I am getting this. So I also found this. It's $10.99. I'm also gonna get this one. So I only found those two shirts that I showed you. They don't have that much stuff. I'm gonna go to the kids section and just look and see what they have. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. My kids don't need anything, but I'm still gonna look. So I found this for my daughter, size 2. She's 18 months, so she can wear this. And it's $3.99. I'm gonna get this for her. There's also this one. It's like a Barbie shirt. Again, $3.99. I'm gonna get her this one too. So for my son, I found this Mickey Mouse shirt. $3.99. He wears 4T. And then I found this Bluey shirt. Again, $3.99. So everyone gets 2, I guess. They have some water cups. Not getting any because I have a lot of these. They definitely have the best cookies. Yeah, I'm definitely getting this one, Nutella biscuits. So I spent $45.93 at Ross. So I already showed you everything that I got. And I think I have to learn how to shop at Ross more because those are some really good prices, especially the kids shirts, $3.99. Okay, so this is the recipe. We only have 4 ingredients that we're gonna use. Some kind of sausage, peppers and onions, frozen peppers and onions, pasta sauce, and pasta. Of course, we're gonna need oil, seasoning, and water, but that's it. Those are the ingredients. So if you get these ingredients from the Dollar Tree carries all of these 4 ingredients. They have sausage, they have peppers and onions, they have pasta sauce and pasta. For $1.25 each, you'll spend $5. So this is a $5 meal from the Dollar Tree, basically. But I had these in my pantry, so I didn't go out to buy it from the Dollar Tree. It doesn't make sense for me to buy something I already have in my pantry. I had the sausage in my freezer and peppers and onions too. So and I also had the pasta sauce and pasta in my pantry. So yeah, let's get cooking. It's gonna be a 1-pan meal. So I'm starting off by cutting my sausage. I like to cut them into half moons, like this. So I'm adding some oil to my pan. I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have. I'm gonna heat it up and then add the sausage. So I'm gonna add the sausage. The sausage is already cooked. It's fully cooked. I'm just heating it up. I just want a little bit of sear on it. This recipe is a tried and true recipe for me. Whenever I don't know what to make or I don't want to make anything, I just make this. It's easy, everyone likes it, and it's fast. And I usually have all the ingredients on hand. You can also use diced tomatoes if you want instead of the pasta sauce or even tomato sauce. Just whatever you have in your pantry, just don't go out and buy ingredients for this. Whatever you have, you can just use. And if you're gonna replicate it, you can just get the ingredients from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add the peppers and onions. While that's cooking, I'm gonna try some of these cookies I got from Ross. The Nutella cookies. I like Nutella a lot. Mm, they're really good. If you like Nutella, you should try these. So I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and some red pepper flakes. It's optional. Okay, so I'm gonna add the pasta sauce. I'm gonna add some water. More. So I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then I'm gonna add the pasta. So the pasta is gonna cook in the sauce. Okay, so now that it's boiling, I'm gonna taste it for seasoning. I had to drink some water and cleanse my palate just because of the cookies I ate. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. It doesn't need a lot, just a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna add the pasta. I'm using rigatoni, but you can use whatever pasta you want. You just want to make sure that the pasta is submerged in the sauce. And if you need to add more water, just add more water, and you can always adjust the seasoning. So I think I do need some water, so I'm just gonna add some water. All right. I'm gonna cover it and bring the heat to low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and this is done cooking. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, it's definitely done. Here's my plate of food. This is definitely very delicious and flavorful and filling. You should definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!